Hey guys, it's Steve Lamont, the founder at Elevate Realty Group, and it's almost the end of 2025. I literally cannot believe it. We want to wish everyone a fantastic holiday season. And by the way, coming up November 19th, 20th, and 21st, you can reserve your free pie. We do this every year. This is like our 10th anniversary, and you can come and pick up our homemade pies from Say Pies. They're fantastic. Make sure you check your email and your mailboxes. You'll have your invite soon. Those are almost fully reserved. We're gonna buy 150 pies. I think we have 65 people that have already reserved in like 48 hours. So today we're gonna break down what's been in the news for the last couple of weeks is the Fed has lowered interest rates, and what does that mean for the general real estate market here in Sacramento. I've been talking about this all year long. The Sacramento real estate market can be explained as sluggish, right? The days on market has gone up significantly from last year. We're probably going to end the year somewhere around 50 to 55 days, which means it takes about that long to sell your home. The average sales prices or average close prices are going to be down roughly 1 to 2%. That means in a lot of neighborhoods, values are still coming down and adjusting for these higher prices. But there is one glimmer of hope. Interest rates have sneakishly gone down very substantially from where we were in January. So in January, we were locking interest rates between 7 and 8%, right? That's exceptionally expensive when you start thinking about the average sale price of a home in the Sacramento region being like $500,000 to $550,000. Today, we are consistently locking interest rates in the fives, right? And I think as we go into next year, we're going to see that trend continue. Interest rates will come down nominally, maybe a quarter point every 2 to 3 months. The Fed is having to be careful because if they lower rates too much, then a lot of demand will come into the market and prices will go back up. But the average 30-year fixed rate on like VA loans currently is consistently being locked around 5.5% to 5.8%. On conventional loans, we're having many of our customers lock rates at 6 or below. In some cases, you might have to pay a small fee to get a rate lower than 6%, but in almost all cases, we're well below 6.5% on a 30-year fixed mortgage, and more likely, we're locking rates in the fives. Now, what will this do for sellers, right? Do we think prices are gonna rapidly go up? No, I do not, right? There's a plethora of choices for buyers in today's market. We've talked about this in previous videos where the inventory or the number of homes for sale has gone up pretty dramatically. We're almost back to pre-pandemic levels, which is very good for buyers. I've said this on previous videos as well. Right now has been one of the best times we've seen to be a buyer in the marketplace. And what I mean by that is there are plenty of choices, right? Buyers didn't want to buy amid COVID because there were no choices and every single home had competition. Well, today, yes, it's expensive, but there's a lot more options available. So the great news, the silver lining, whatever you want to call it, as we go into the holiday season, there's probably going to be some great deals to be had because there are fewer buyers looking to buy in the winter or in the holiday season. At the same time, we're going to have great reprieve for interest rates. And interest rates are back in the fives. And in my mind, this is the number that buyers have been waiting for. So if you've been considering selling your home, the fall or the fourth quarter might be a great time because interest rates will be low and buyers are going to be back in the market wanting to buy homes. And then if you're a buyer, gosh, I don't know if I'd wait on the fence anymore. You can lock rates in the fives, and if they go down next year substantially, you can always refinance. As always, visit our website at homesbyelevate.com. And from all of us at Elevate Realty Group, we hope to see you when you come to pick up your pie. Thank you so much.